has reaffirmed all those points which had earlier come in the Shumlin committee report. So what would you say to that?
I will not comment on anything because the CAG report has yet to be tabled in Parliament. Finished.
मैम जो लीक हुई है सीएजी की रिपोर्ट उसमें तमाम जो है दिल्ली सरकार के प्रोजेक्ट पर उंगलियां उठाई गई।
आपने शब्द कहा ना लीक हुई है, तो पहले वो पार्लियामेंट में आ जाए। सीएजी रिपोर्ट जब पेश की जाएगी पार्लियामेंट उसके बाद सीएजी उसके बाद।
मैम लेकिन प्राइमा फेसी आपको क्या लग रहा है? मैम लेकिन प्राइमा फेसी क्या लग रहा है आपको?
Well, despite the claims of the CAG report that there had been excesses committed by the Delhi government, the Chief Minister Sheila Dikshit refusing to comment on the report which has been accessed by Times Now, as well a copy of the report with Times Now also saying that there had in fact been excesses committed by the Delhi government. Let's listen in to once again what the Chief Minister, who's in the eye of this new storm, had to say.
CAG report has reaffirmed all those points which had earlier come in the Shumlin committee report. So what would you say to that?
I will not comment on anything because the CAG report has yet to be tabled in Parliament. Finished.
मैम जो लीक हुई है सीएजी की रिपोर्ट उसमें तमाम जो है दिल्ली सरकार के प्रोजेक्ट पर उंगलियां उठाई गई।
आपने शब्द कहा ना लीक हुई है, तो पहले वो पार्लियामेंट में आ जाए। सीएजी रिपोर्ट जब पेश की जाएगी पार्लियामेंट उसके बाद सीएजी उसके बाद।
मैम लेकिन प्राइमा फेसी आपको क्या लग रहा है? मैम लेकिन प्राइमा फेसी क्या लग रहा है आपको?
Vasu now joins us on the phone line. Vasu, the Delhi Chief Minister, avoiding any comment there, saying that she will not speak on a report until and unless it is tabled in the Parliament.
Well, that is right. In fact, that is what Sheila Dikshit has said. Remember, the CAG has slammed the Sheila Dikshit-led Delhi government, in fact, saying that there has been irregularities in the spending for the CWG on street lighting, on potted plants, on street signage, even on bus shelters. In many cases, equipment was bought at prices far higher than what would perhaps have been got at. So clearly, of course, at this point of time, Sheila Dikshit on the defensive, saying that she will not comment really at this point of time on the CAG report. Clearly, of course, when the CAG report is tabled in Parliament, Sheila Dikshit would have a lot to answer for. Back to you.
All right, Vasu, thanks very much for giving us those updates. There are two counts on which the CAG report holds the Delhi government responsible. First, it says that the MR manufacturing was shown undue favours and also raising questions over 100 crore rupees contract for Tetra phones. Let's listen in once again to what the Delhi Chief Minister had to say.
CAG report has reaffirmed all those points which had earlier come in the Shumlin committee report. So what would you say to that?
I will not comment on anything because the CAG report has yet to be tabled in Parliament. Finished.
मैम जो लीक हुई है सीएजी की रिपोर्ट उसमें तमाम जो है दिल्ली सरकार के प्रोजेक्ट पर उंगलियां उठाई गई।
आपने शब्द कहा ना लीक हुई है, तो पहले वो पार्लियामेंट में आ जाए। सीएजी रिपोर्ट जब पेश की जाएगी पार्लियामेंट उसके बाद सीएजी उसके बाद।
मैम लेकिन प्राइमा फेसी आपको क्या लग रहा है? मैम लेकिन प्राइमा फेसी क्या लग रहा है आपको?